Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get Aptoide for iOS and Android. So this is the full app, but I know it's easy to get on Android, but it ain't easy to get on iPhone. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. It is fully working, bro. This is crazy. Look at this. I got it right there. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let's get into the guide. So the first thing we got to do is go to this site. It's called hexmods.com. It's got tons of different modded apps, modded games. So let me just in right here. So once you're on the site, just go to the search bar and type in Aptoide and you should see it. Alright, let's see if we can find it. And where is it? Nowhere to be found. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and press on it. You press the down button and it's gonna start downloading. So we just gotta wait for it to download here. I know it's easy to get on Android, so this video is mainly aimed at people who have an iPhone because it's pretty hard to get on an iPhone. So I'm just going to show you guys how to do it. So before we can actually get it, we do a little step right here. So you can see it says, please take a few minutes to complete verification. Keeps your server safe from malicious attacks. So there are going to be 4 apps here, and you just want to press on the app, press tap to install. It's going to bring you to the App Store, and you just have to download 2 of them. And make sure you read the instructions. You can see Family Island says reach level 10. Golf Game says the same thing, because this is to keep the server safe and prevent malicious people on it, and it's also like a security check. So make sure you guys are doing this. It's pretty easy. I'll see you later. So if you're poor and like you can't afford an Android, because like who wants to have both an iPhone and an Android, like just get Aptoide. It actually works. You can install most of your favorite games on here with like mods and stuff. So I think this is better than Happy Mod, to be honest with you. But yeah, the verification is pretty simple, so be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, tell all your friends about it if you're interested in this kind of content. But yeah, it's fully working, guys, so I'm going to see you guys in another video. So yeah, subscribe to the channel and peace out.